YouTube stacking community, the Stacking Nerd here today with an unboxing from Silver Saver. Wherever you're watching this from and whenever you're watching this, I hope that you're having a great day. Recently, I won a giveaway by Silver Saver for one of her iconic bars, and I'm really excited to unbox this and share this with you guys. So let's go ahead and get it open. Okay, first I've got a note here. Dearest Stacking Nerd, congratulations. I am so grateful for your support of my channel and your friendship. Love, Silver Saver. Well, I'm very excited to have won this piece. I'm so overwhelmed by it. Let's go ahead and open this up. Packaging is very, very, very cute. So there we have it. It's kind of got a little garter around it. That's very cute, very sweet looking. Go ahead and open that. And here we have her card, and that has the different versions of her bar. And this, okay, this is a piece from the Vulcans. Very, very cool. My first piece from the Vulcans. I'm excited. All right, let's go ahead and open it up. Whoa. What an absolutely gorgeous piece. This is so beautiful and symmetrical. This was poured for Silver Saver by Silver Spoon 22, and this was poured by the Vulcans, which makes this my very first Vulcan piece as well. I've always considered the Silver Saver bar to be an essential piece in anyone's community stack, and today I'm lucky enough to add this to my community stack, so I'm ever so grateful. Let's flip it over and look at the back. You've got the Vulcan stamp. And this is 1.2 ounces, and this is number 30, I believe. Just a beautiful bar. Absolutely love this. Let's see how it looks with the rest of my community collection. I've added the Silver Saver bar to my community collection, and it fits in beautifully between my two mini Huni stacker cats, and you can see my Slacker stacker bar in the background. This is just an absolutely gorgeous piece, and I'm very grateful to have this in my collection. I will be leaving a link in the description down below to Silver Saver's channel. She puts out some beautiful content and has a fantastic collection. I will also be leaving a link to the Vulcan's channel in the description down below. They make some beautiful pieces. This is a husband and wife team. Absolutely amazingly talented people. But I want to thank you guys very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic rest of the day. I will talk to you later.